Namaste all. This is Swati from Angel 1111 Spiritual Healing and Meditation Center, and I welcome you all in this journey to divine love and peace. Sit comfortably. Keep your back and neck straight. Touch your tongue to your palate and gently close your eyes. Take a deep breath in and breathe out. Again, a deep breath in and breathe out. Inhale divine white light through your breath and exhale anger, stress, and any negative emotions. And repeat this a few more times. Now, call your twin flame in front of you, or in case you do not know who they are, just visualize their energy, their soul, in a bright white light in front of you. Here, request your angels, spirit guides, Archangel Michael to protect both of you during this meditation. Just imagine Michael is covering you and your twin flame with bright white light ball, removing all the negativity and obstacles between both of you. And now you both are completely safe and protected. Feel that white light protection ball around you and your person. Here, switch yourself into an energy of unconditional love and set your ego aside. We do not need ego or logical mind during this session. It's an heart-to-heart, energetic and intuitive communication. So be in an energy of unconditional love. Now, visualize a bright golden light embracing out from your person's heart chakra straight to your heart chakra, and this bright golden light spreading all over your body and aura. Now, this bright golden light embracing out from your heart chakra straight into your person's heart chakra, and this golden light is spreading all over his or her body and aura. At this moment, just feel their energy, their love. Now, allow your heart to open and receive this heart-to-heart communication with your twin flame. Say 3 times in mind that I am completely open my heart and receiving energy from my twin flame. I am completely open my heart and receiving energy from my twin flame. I am completely open my heart and receiving energy from my twin flame. Here, take a few more deep breaths and go deeper and deeper. Allow yourself to connect with him or her in a deeper level. Just feel the love you have for them and they have for you. It's a very blessed and pleasing feeling. This feeling of abundant love making a beautiful smile on your face. And here, I'm giving you some time to share your feelings to them. Say anything that you want to say. Express whatever you want. Send these messages from your heart chakra to your person's heart chakra. And believe that they are receiving these messages. Take your time here. I'm going to be silent for some time. Now, again be in a receptive mode and try to receive what he is now expressing to you. It might be some words you hear or words you see. It might be in the form of objects, signs, synchronicities, visuals, or you may receive them as an energetic downloads that will unfold in the hours or days to come. Set the intention that you are receiving all the messages that your twin flame want to tell you. Just open yourself to receive. And here, I'm again giving you some time to receive your person's energy. Now, bless and thank your twin flame for sharing and expressing their love. Still, that bright golden light is flowing into each other's heart and body and exchanging the messages. Now, at the end, send him your blessings, your love, respect, and gratitude from the core of your heart. Say that I'm learning a lot through you during this journey and growing higher and higher spiritually. And now, it's time to say goodbye. Thank him for coming in this telepathy session, and thanks all your angels, spirit guides, Archangel Michael for their divine help and protection. Now, be aware of your body. Be aware of your body parts. Gently rub both your hands. Put on your face, on your eyes, and gently open your eyes. Lots of love, light, and blessings to all of you.